In today's video, we're going to be making red curry coconut milk organic chicken over basmati rice. One of my favorite dishes. I could eat it every day. I will be eating it for a few days after this video, but with pleasure. What's up, y'all? If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Magdiale WOLMARK. I'm a two-time James Beard nominated chef for plant-based cooking, a certified biodynamic horticulturalist, and a Food Network competition cooking show champion in Clash of the Vegetarians. And today is my first full-length cooking video. Now, what I've decided to make for you today is something really simple, really delicious. I think it's really healthy. It happens to be gluten-free. It's not vegetarian, but it could be made vegetarian. I'm using chicken, but you could substitute tofu or something else, or leave the chicken out, and you'd still have a delicious meal. So today, we're gonna be making red curry chicken over basmati rice. Really simple, doesn't take long, ultra delicious, and you'll feel great. Now, I know some of you may be intimidated by the idea of cooking rice, but it's really simple. And you could just follow the directions on the back of the bag for one, or you could keep in mind certain proportions. And then it comes down to just an issue of making sure you have the proper measurements. So I'm using basmati rice. And for basmati rice, the ratio is 1 to 1.5. 1 cup of basmati rice to 1.5 cups of water. Guys, if you are enjoying today's video, please remember to like and subscribe so that you can be notified when more great content is on the way. And I also want to take this opportunity to remind you to practice good intention. Your mood goes in the food. Remember, food is love. And this is an opportunity for you to pour your loving intention into your preparation for yourself, your family, or for your loved ones. I know I talk a lot about sourcing the finest ingredients in all my videos, but I'll tell you what, I'll take good intention over good ingredients any day. Now we can start working on the curry. I've decided to use some avocado oil, very lovely plant-based oil here. So I'm gonna pour in some avocado oil, and then immediately get some of my onions in here. I got a whole bunch. how important it is that we have nice fluffy rice. And there we are.